that right?
Today at sunrise, we returned to our
A
rhythm.
little mushroom?
We took a couple of days off after the blizzard, and during that time, everything slowed down. The outside world was quiet, routines paused, and space opened up for reflection. And in those quiet moments over the last 48 hours, I had some important discoveries about learning itself, what it really is, where it comes from, and how deeply it shapes who we become.
Alright, so you just want me to go downstairs and wait for you?
Not every truth comes from a schedule. Not every answer needs a sign. Sometimes learning shows up softly when you give it time. We listen closer.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Ren. Have today, Ren.
I have my brush.
That's why today's focus word became learn.
I'm planning to see something.
Nice. Okay, cool.
Good morning, everyone! Wednesday, February 25.
Learn means finding out new things by listening, doing, and helping. That's what it means to learn. Learn means to find out new things by listening, doing, and helping. Right?
Yeah, this is how I will beat you.
Alright, go ahead, let's see.
Learn me to find out new things.
Good.
Learn isn't just something that happens in a classroom. It's not just worksheets, schedules, or lessons on a page. Learning is happening all the time, especially when things stop, when routines break, and when we're given time to think. Those days off showed me that learning doesn't disappear when structure pauses. It changes form. It becomes reflection. It becomes awareness. It becomes understanding. Coming back today felt good. We eased back into our normal routine, talked through the day, did some focused work, and moved forward together. Not rushed, not pressured, just present. Later we watched Zootopia, and it turned out to be the perfect fit for today's lesson. A story about identity, growth, and learning who you are beyond labels, which mirrors so much of what SonRise stands for. Today reminded me that learning is not about control or obedience. It's about curiosity. It's about discovery. It's about giving space for understanding to grow naturally. The past 48 hours brought clarity, some of it empowering, some of it heavy, but all of it necessary. And that clarity has strengthened my belief that SonRise has the potential to offer something deeper, an education rooted in humanity, awareness, and real life. After the storm, we didn't just get back on track. We moved forward with purpose, a perfect day to
Read
learn.
books with all the family.
You like to read books with your families? Wait, friends, you wrote your own book, right? You have your own book.
Yeah.
Guided by light, we